I guess today I want to go over installation of Trimble Business Center version 5.8, which was released here a few days ago. So as you can see, as the first glance, there is quite a bit of changes. Of course, it's the logo. Let me know in the comments how you like it. A little bit of background, some new icons, which we'll go over in the next few videos. So sit back and relax, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll get right into it. Okay, so I have downloaded and unzipped the new Trimble Business Center version 5.8, and here it is. So let's just double click the setup and see. Windows pop-up, you want to make changes? Yes. And the first thing you can actually see is here the new Trimble Business Center logo. I have mixed reactions to it. Kind of like it. It reminds me of a SketchUp logo and pretty much every blue logo I ever seen. So let's see. It's and here we go. The install shield wizard. It's pretty common. So we have English, United States. If you want more languages, just click more languages. Yes, we have to agree to few other things. License agreement, of course. Tools and utilities, let's just double click here. So we got a coordinate system manager, feature, HASP, office clean, office synchronizer, planning, SCS data manager, tablets in US manager. So let's go back and hit the click business center. I usually keep the default root, so I'm not gonna change that. I want the new desktop icon, and I'm gonna minimize this here. I'm gonna hit next. Obviously this depends. I went ahead of myself. This depends on how fast and your computer is. At this point, I'm gonna uncheck the Australia, New Zealand aerial photogrammetry. I'm not using this. Feature GIS, and I'm gonna leave everything else on. Actually, I'll leave the feature, so I'm just not gonna do those two. And ready to install. So let's hit install, and I might speed up this so we don't have to sit here for the whole install. In case I don't speed it up, you can see they have changed a whole bunch of pictures for the installation. For the longest time they were the same. Of course, don't forget to update your graphics card and the drivers so the business center will run as smooth as possible. Okay, so we are about 10 minutes in, and I just seen the installer removing shortcuts. As you can see, the Trimble Business Center shortcut disappeared from my desktop. That being said, it here it's saying removing files, so shouldn't take much longer. Okay, 14 minutes in roughly, and I see the new Business Center icon here. As you can see, very similar to the SketchUp one up here. Okay guys, so we have finished the install, overall about 20 minutes on my computer, so let's launch it and see. As you can see, the new logo is everywhere, and let's just see what's going on. It's gonna take probably a minute to see what launch it. Oh, here is a SCS Data Manager updated the icon as well. Maybe I didn't. Okay, let's see. Let's start up the application. Okay, there we go. So it's still loading. I guess it's time for a new. It's running for the first time, so the usual question is asking us about copy our files there. Okay, so as you can see, the background is already changed. That's the first few impressions. Yeah, so let me go to file. The icon on the top left is changed, new. I'm gonna point it to my templates as usual. Google Drive, my Drive, Pro site, and I should have. I don't know where I have it. I don't even know. Oh, I think it's still on the... Where is it? Under Dropbox, right? Yeah, still have it under Dropbox, so I have to go to Dropbox. And I have BC templates here, and I also have them in a cloud, as you can see, my ProSite 5.7. So ProSite 5.7, I'll put it as default. Oh, I have run it twice, as you can see, so I'm just gonna close this one. Yeah, now it's okay. Like my white background. Oh, I see here is a couple of new icons. Internal select mode. Here is another icon. What is this one? View web map service. So overall, the first few new changes are already visible. Your filter manager. Okay, so yeah, hope you enjoyed it. We'll next time we'll take a look at some of the other new functionality, and we'll go from there. I have turned it on a few times here. Okay, see you next time.